Good evening. Hi, my teen poets. Welcome to this Love World Teenage Tunes Open Mic for Poetry session 32. So you all are most welcome here after a long time. तो आज फिर से कविताएं और पोइट्री इस बायलिंगुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमारे टीन पोइट्स की हम लोग सुनते हैं. आओ फिर आज गुनगुनाते हैं, अपनी कविताएं फिर सुनाते हैं. कैसे हैं हाल नन्हे कवियों के, उनके दिल में ही झांक आते हैं, उनके दिल में ही झांक आते हैं. So let's peep into the hearts of our teen poets and see whatever they are imagining, whatever they are thinking, what they want to sing, what they want to share. तो आज का हम टीनेज ट्यून्स अपना शुरू करते हैं और यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आई इनवाइट कीर्तिका फ्रॉम चेन्नई.
Good evening, everyone. I have a poem on cancer survivors. Okay, I have some poem here. June 2 actually is known as the Cancer Survivors Day. And here's my poem. On this Cancer Survivors Day, congratulations to them we have to say. Lakhs and lakhs they will have to pay. God has chosen them the right way. Don't smoke, don't drink. It gives you cancer within a blink. You now have enough time to think, so don't let your life and family sink. Then you'll have to leave your family, which you have been treating caringly, the friends and friends whom you saw lovingly. If you have cancer, then you'll become like a monster. With you, you will have no answer. Then you'll become a life chancer. Then you'll become a life chancer. You may get some drop of tears, even if you think it after years. You may even get some drops of tears, even if you think it after years. It may be even because of the holes in the atmosphere which makes us feel pity here. Which makes us feel pity here. Give God all you have, all your heart. He'll keep you safe and will never leave you apart. Give God all you have, all your heart. He'll keep you safe and will never leave you apart. And to everyone, I just want to give some message that is surviving cancer is like having a boon over you, and you never have to treat them in a different way. All they need is your support. So let's all support them. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirtika, for sharing your poem on Cancer Survivors Day. So we all know that our habits make us what we are. So good or bad, healthy or sick, kind or cruel. So we are product of our habits only. So if we want to live a healthy, happy life, we have to cultivate good habits. तो प्यारी हो अपनी आदतें तो प्यार ही बरसेगा. प्यारी हो अपनी आदतें तो प्यार ही बरसेगा. फिर रोग हो कोई भी फिर खुद पे वो तरसेगा. फिर रोग हो कोई भी फिर खुद पे वो तरसेगा. तो लेट्स मूव ऑन नाउ. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ गौरी वडेहरा.
So, greetings, Mom. I can't go out, have the fun of what's going on. How am I wasting my time inside? And why is the second wave of COVID-19 harming my age group? Well, is it the time to be pessimistic? Let's be optimistic and take out the time and ponder, aren't we blessed as humans? Greetings, everyone. Today, I, Gauri Vadera, am here to cherish this moment by telling poetically that I am blessed. I am blessed with God in my life. I am not stressed. I in the mornings wake up to the unique sounds of nature. Birds chirping, the wind blowing, the leaves on the trees, roosters crowing and the dogs barking. I see the bright and glorious sunshine, the butterflies playing in the air, the cotton ball clouds, and the lovely, sweet smelling roses. I am blessed to behold the beauty of God's creation. I am blessed to have the opportunity to experience true salvation. I am blessed there is plenty of food to eat and to share. I am blessed my life in itself is a bliss. I have feet to walk up the hills. I am blessed, I am loved by my family and friends. And most of all, I have a place I belong to like heaven. I am blessed. God provides for me in every way. He protects me, and I know He'll never forsake me. I am blessed that His angels are near and He has given me ears to hear such beautiful poems of yours. I'm so blessed I have got this mouth to recite my own one here. I am blessed I have lived to see another day. My Savior has cleared the way. I am blessed I am in my right mind. I can smile and make others smile as well. I am blessed I am in good health, positive yet not positive. Oh, how wonderful it is to know that I am blessed, not stressed, well dressed, put to this life's test. Time to praise the Lord. I am so well blessed. I am so well blessed. Thank you, and I so hope that you all have a blissful day ahead.
Wow, wonderful poem. Yes, when nature is our caretaker, our entertainer, our soother, we are extremely blessed. So, thank you for this blessed poem. Now we move on, and I invite Deepti Dinesh. Deepti Dinesh. Okay. Next is Aisha Nagarwala. Aisha
Yes, ma'am.
Nagarwala.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Aisha Nagarwala and I am a Potterhead. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard of Harry Potter. I mean, who hasn't? Harry Potter always has a lesson to teach young children. And so, that is why I too wanted to bring light to a lesson that I learned very early in life. Be careful what you wish for, by me. There was once a boy named Ron, tired of always being the second one, always in the darkness away from the spotlight. Taken up by Harry, it's never felt right. Ronald cries, I wish I were Harry. He always gets the throne. The good qualities he does own, from James and Lily, being oh so witty. Never had to worry about a single nut. I'd rather not. Then, at midnight, when the clock chimed 12, both of their minds fell into a spiral well. Their world went all topsy-turvy, like a crossover of a Freaky Friday movie. Ron became Harry and Harry became Ron, from the tips of their toes to the tips of their wands. Now Ron felt lucky. He got all the attention. That is until he heard what the prophecy had mentioned. Harry now had parents and a brother and a sister who loved him unconditionally. And guess what? They were alive too. Yeah, Ron got popular and stuff, but he had to fight Voldemort, and that was pretty tough. Seeing that he couldn't even do a levitation charm, he was going to need an extra wand arm. Now, as for Harry, he was happy as could be. Didn't care for any money, for his life was sweet as honey. Now Christmas came around and Ron was miserable. To see the state he was in was just pitiable. He wanted to go back home to his parents. All this fame, he thought, was worse than doing his errands. So he wished upon a shooting star, thought through towns wide and far. All he wanted to be was himself, and never anything else. Very soon, as the clock struck 12, their world was head over heels once again. Ron became Ron and Harry himself. Ron had never been happier for anything else. And now, Ron swears that he would never again wish to be someone else, because it would only ever bring disdain. And so, my dear Potterheads, be content with what you have. The grass is always greener on the other side, but take a lesson from this lie. You will always end up wanting more, even though it will be bad. When you're failed by yet another life, always be careful what you wish for. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha. So, being yourself is the greatest gift that you can give to yourself. So, you must have heard that old story, Kaua Chala Hans Ki Chal. This is a bilingual platform, as you all know. You can share your poems either in English or in Hindi. तो आपकी इस कविता पे बीइंग योरसेल्फ यहाँ पे जो एक कहानी याद आती है, कौआ चला हंस की चाल। एक बार एक क्रो था और एक स्वैन था। तो उसने देखा कि सब लोग स्वैन को ही पसंद करते हैं और मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं करता है। कौए ने सोचा तो उसे एक पंख मिला स्वैन का और उसने वो पंख अपने पंखों में लगा दिया। तो फिर वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के पास गया और दूसरे कौओं के पास। तो उन्होंने कहा ये तो पता नहीं कौन सा यहाँ पे पक्षी आ गया है, और वो सब उससे डरने लगे और उन्होंने अपनी चोंच मार मार के उसको भगा दिया। तो जो आप हैं आप वही रहिए। डोंट ट्राई टू बी समवन एल्स। So if you are Mac, don't try to be Harry. So otherwise you won't be in a comfortable position. Okay. Now I invite Pavni Dwarkani. Pavni. Next is the turn of Mitali Sancheti. Mitali Sancheti.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah, Mitali Sancheti from the Icon Public School, Ahmednagar. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mitali Sancheti, grade 10 from the Icon Public School, Ahmednagar, and today I'm going to recite a poem written by myself, The Other Way Round. You said I was always on the wrong. I always chose the bitter song. I didn't even have a count of my mistakes, because I knew numbers few and the list was so long. I didn't show up until the cafe closed. I didn't even smile when you posed. I was a total maniac, bit you with my coldness right when it snowed. There were 100 times when I lied, stung you with pines in my hide. You were totally tired of my tantrums, and that no one could ever be by my side. I wrecked you, ruined your life. I couldn't make it through, chose the wrong stride. I broke something as precious as your heart. I pierced it with a knife. But you know what? I tried. I tried hard. I did think before playing each card. It still didn't work out. Probably you didn't work just as hard. Accept it. I wasn't worth it. But you didn't necessarily have to say it. You could have stayed shut, given me time. For all I knew, you had greater wit. In me, 100 wrongs you found. Even at times I was sure I was profound. You didn't even give a single thought that it could have been the other way round. In the end, all I have to say is, for the better of ourselves and of humankind, we must change our priorities and understand that sometimes, rather than proving yourself right, what is more important is resolving the fight. Thank you.
Thank you, Mitali. We all know that to err or making mistakes is human, and mistakes are really beautiful because they lead you to perfect takes. Mistakes take you to perfect takes. So that's why mistakes and errors are beautiful. So don't be shy to make mistakes. Keep on doing mistakes and improving yourself. Yes. Next is Daksh Mahajan. Daksh Mahajan. Next is the turn of Kanak Karachiwala. Yeah?
I'm Daksh.
Okay. Yeah, Daksh Mahajan from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My poem is Dear Mom. Since the day I was small. Till the day I become tall. Since I began understanding things. Till the day I got my own wings. Your love has never fallen short. You have been my only sport. I want to hold you tight and hug you. I just want to say thank you.
Wow. Thank you, that for being so short and sweet. So we all know that moms are sweet as well as tough, and nowhere else we found such a stuff. So nice and short and sweet poem on mom. Now we invite our another teen poet. The name is Kanak Karachiwala from
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmednagar. Yes, Kanak Karachiwala, the Icon Public School, Ahmednagar.
सुदिन, आज मैं कनक कराची वाला आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है धरती का संदेश। घर में खाली बैठे हो तो बात जरा ये सोचो, घर में खाली बैठे हो तो बात जरा ये सोचो, थोड़े अपने सिर के बाल नोचो कि अब सड़कों पर यह कौन दिखाई देता है, कि अब सड़कों पर यह कौन दिखाई देता है, सर फटने वाले शोर में एक मौन दिखाई देता है। मैं खुश हूँ कि अब घर पर अपनों के साथ हूँ, कुछ दिन सुकून से परिवार के पास हूँ। किसी जानवर से पूछो कि अब वो कैसा महसूस करता है, जहाँ हमारी गाड़ियां चलती थी अब वहां वो चलता फिरता है। हम आज घर पर है पर उनसे जरा ये पूछो कि वापस अपने घर आकर उनका मन क्या कहता है। जब जब ऐसे वायरस दुनिया को सताते हैं, अमीर देश के अमीर लोग सिर्फ इससे पैसा कमाते हैं। यहाँ मरने का डर कुछ ऐसा जहन पे बैठा है और वह दवा के नाम पर कोई जिंदगी की कीमत लगाए बैठा है। जिंदगी के लिए खाना है, खाने के लिए जिंदगी नहीं। हमने जानवरों को कैदी बनाया, इंसान के लिए कोई पाबंदी नहीं। इस आराम की जिंदगी में भी एक बात हमेशा सताती है, इस आराम की जिंदगी में भी एक बात हमेशा सताती है। ये कैसी दुनिया बना ली हमने जो दूसरों को मारकर जीना सिखाती है। देखो जरा आज जहां मेरा घर बना है, अतीत सामने रख कर देखो, वह जानवरों का घर है, वह जंगल घना है। पेड़ काटकर चिड़ियों का घोंसला मिटा दिया, पेड़ काटकर चिड़ियों का घोंसला मिटा दिया। आज आराम से सोते हो, पेड़ का ही पलंग बना लिया। बचपन की माँ की सीख भी याद आती है, धरती को माँ तो चांद को मामा बताती। कहानी नहीं सच है, कहानी नहीं सच है, ये दुनिया हमारा परिवार है, पर इंसान ही है सब कुछ, यह सोच बेकार है। पेड़ों की सांसों से है हमारी जिंदगी, ऐसा साइंस बताती है। पेड़ ही है जो मरने के बाद उसकी लकड़ी शमशान ले जाती है। प्यार की बातें जितनी कर लो, बात अधूरी रह जाती है। गुलाब के फूल की खुशबू ही महबूब के चेहरे पर हंसी लाती है। सोचो जरा आज, सोचो जरा ये कैसी जिंदगी चुन ली हमने। पेड़ पौधे जानवर सब मिटा दिए, इस धरती की उम्र लगी मरने। घमंड छोड़ो कि दुनिया हमारे लिए बनी है, ये धरती मांगेगी हिसाब, क्योंकि कुदरत ही इंसान की जन जन्मी है। आज परिवार के साथ हो तो मिलकर दुनिया को बचाओ। बहुत ले लिया, अब कुछ देना है, आओ कुदरत को बचाओ। कुदरत के कानून से पाबंद रहो, यह कैद अभी अच्छी है, कुछ दिन बंद हो तो बंद रहो। हंसो खेलो अपनों के साथ, अच्छे करो यह हालात। आज घर के बाहर सरकार के पहरे हैं, आज भले ही कैद के दिन है पर कल के दिन सुनहरे हैं। तो आओ अपनी इंसानियत से कुदरत का गुस्सा तोड़ दो। इंसान का है हक कुदरत पर, ये नादानी छोड़ दो, वरना यह कुदरत अपनी बंदूक तानेगी और कुछ नहीं बचेगा, कुछ नहीं। कीमत वसूल कर कर ही मानेगी। यह पेड़ पौधे पक्षी जानवर सब उस मालिक के प्यारे हैं। अगर उसने हमको पैदा किया तो यह भी उसके दुलारे हैं। संभल जाओ क्योंकि यह रास्ता सीधा है, बाकी सब टेढ़े हैं। हमारी औकात क्या, बिसात क्या, कुदरत की नजरों में हम सब कीड़े हैं। तो आओ अपनी औकात जानकर, घर को कैद मानकर, आज मैं अपनों के साथ हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ। धन्यवाद। घर पर रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए।
थैंक यू कनक कराचीवाला। आपने ये कविता सुनाई तो अभी ये कोरोना वायरस ने पूरे एटमॉस्फेयर को ऐसे कर दिया है कि सब लोग अपने घरों पर बैठकर इतना सोच समझ पा रहे हैं, इतना एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहे हैं, इतना शेयर कर पा रहे हैं। नहीं तो चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स हों, चाहे एम्प्लॉयज हों, चाहे बिजनेसमैन हों, चाहे हाउस वाइफ हों, सब एक रैट रेस में दौड़े जा रहे थे। किसी को समय ही नहीं था कुछ भी अपने आसपास के बारे में सोचने का। तो अभी वो समय तो मिला है, लेकिन वैसे बहुत ही फेटल समय भी है, बहुत ही क्रूशल समय भी है, जो कि हमें अपने आप को सेफ रखना है। तो बहुत ही अच्छा है कि इस तरह की कविताएं, इस तरह के एक्सप्रेशन हमारे पास आ रहे हैं। बहुत तरह तरह की इमेजिनेशन और सबके साथ टीनेजर्स अपनी कविताएं लेकर आ रहे हैं। पर एक चीज जो यहाँ पे शेयर करना चाहते हैं, ये कनक कराची वाला सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे अपनी चीजें आप शेयर कर रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो कुछ कविताएं बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, कुछ कविताएं थोड़ी कम अच्छी लगती हैं। यहाँ पे आप लोग सिर्फ पोएट नहीं, लिसनर भी हैं, ऑडियंस भी हैं। तो अगर आपकी कविता सुनने में बहुत अच्छी लगती है तो अप्रिशिएट, यू एंजॉय। तो एक आपको हर्ट करने के लिए नहीं, बस आप सबको थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करने के लिए एक चीज हम कहना चाहते हैं कि आप जो भी चीज कह रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट था आपका, लेकिन उसको अगर आप थोड़े कॉम्पैक्ट तरीके से कहेंगे, कम शब्दों में कहेंगे, तो इट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड मोर एंजॉयबल। तो कीप ऑन राइटिंग एंड कीप ऑन शेयरिंग। ओके कनिका, तो यहाँ पे एक 4 लाइनें बोलते हैं। लंबी कविताएं मत सुनाना तुम, भर दो शब्दों में बस खजाना तुम। लंबी कविताएं मत सुनाना तुम, भर दो शब्दों में बस खजाना तुम। अपनी कविता को यूं सुनाना तुम, सुनने वालों के होश जाएं गुम, सुनने वालों के होश जाएं गुम। So wish you all the best for writing and reciting. Now we move on and अब मैं बुलाती हूँ सुहानी शर्मा।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Suhani Sharma from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu. Yes.
Failure is a detour, not a dead-end street. With this, a very warm regards of the day from me to all of you. Today, I'm Suhani Sharma here from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, to recite my poem on the topic Don't Quit.
Yes,
Well,
continue.
ma'am, actually my mic was muted by mistake.
Okay, try your best.
When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are treading seems as uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When guilt is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is cruel with its turns and twists, as every one of us sometimes learn, and many a failure turns about. When we have might, have won, had he struck it out. Don't give up though the peace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to be faint and flattering man. Often the struggler has given up. Ma'am, ma'am, is everyone having the option to mute someone else? Ma'am, my mic is again and again muted.
We can listen to you. You are not muted.
Ma'am, but I have some lines more.
So continue. Present your line.
Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tinge of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to fight when you hardest hit. It's when things seem worse than you must not quit. The future belongs to those who believes in their beauty of dreams. With this, I would like to share that never quit because of the failure. Because failure is there and the failure means first attempt in your learning. Thank you.
Yes. A very inspirational poem, Suhani Sharma. So we all are reminded here of Abdul Kalam's words that failure is not actually failure. It is the first attempt in learning. And no does not mean no. No means next opportunity. So nice poem, सुहानी. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ आयती जौहरी. Ayati Johri. Yeah, Ayati Johri is from Mayur School, Noida.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Noida.
So today I'm presenting a poem on money because every time we get hurt or every time we are hurt or we have many questions to find the answers we use money. Everyone in this lifetime or in this century use money to solve all their problems. They think that money is everything. But today I'm here to prove that theory wrong in a poetry situation. My name is Ayati and I'll present a poem about money today. Joy cannot be bought with money. Nowadays, people know the value of money. Some say time is money. Some say money is time. But I would rather not have a dime if I have a joyful time. The meaning of money shouldn't be time or a bag of coin or dime. It should be a happy time. If you have joy, your world you will own. If you have money, you will have worries to buy more. If you have love, you will get through life with a smile. If you would rather have time, you would be bored for a lifetime with no one during your hard times. So you see, money does not define life. For life, you need a big heart and to help others with a smile. Then maybe you would be able to own these qualities of the world and live a joyful and happy life. Thank you.
Wow, beautiful poem, Ayati, on the topic of money. It's okay that money can't buy everything, but money is very important for leading a happy and joyous and mm, a life full of conveniences. But as Shakespeare said, that nothing is good or bad. Thinking makes it so. How you use your money, that is important. It increases or minimizes your happiness. So as we have to deal our gadgets, if we use our gadgets, our mobiles, our laptops with intelligence, then they serve us in a better way. Otherwise, they can harm us. So that is the thing with money. ओके. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ समर्थ संसनवाल. समर्थ.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is
Yeah,
Samarth.
Samar Sansanwal is from Mayur School, Noida. Yes, you are most welcome.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. So, title of my poem is Revolution. Now, revolution is like, before I start, let me explain it. My poem is covering whole Indian history, like in history, in like British system versus the Indian freedom fighters. So, how did we got free from the slavery? My short poem is explaining the all struggle of our freedom fighters. So those who sold themselves for the slavery of invaders later realize at the last stage of their lives that the thing they have done had made them mortal or a living dead. But those youngsters and old people who sacrificed themselves for the country, for the nation, are immortal. Their death made them immortal and they're living every moment. So let me tell you that you cannot understand my poem through your like diplomatic skills, etc. You can only understand my poem when you would feel it. So let me start. Adrift, purging the inflating, wicked, wretched skinwalkers around the sphere. Banderole of equity is fluttering in the chameleon above. An interval is coming to the clash with him, the one who raised his revolution, adrift, purging the inflating, wicked, wretched skinwalkers around the sphere. Banderole of equity is fluttering in the chameleon above. An interval is coming to the clash with him, the one who raised his mortality. Warmth in wax figures started to emerge adrift of purge. A vivid upcoming has started to emerge, and the parental patch on the sphere liberated. Few drops in a quiet aqua body, bought and difference on the surface. Dedicated to Indian freedom fighters. Let me explain it now. So, my first paragraph, adrift purging the inflating wicked wretched skinwalkers around the spheres. This represents like adrift purging means the purifying or a like removing the inflating wicked wretched skinwalkers, meaning the increasing the British army was increasing, right? Many people from our country was like started participating in British army, started started working under the British, and the Britishers were like establishing their control all around our country. They were everywhere in each and every corner of our country was ruled by them. So a drift purging. So the drift purging is actually the feeling of patriotism and a rigid idea about independence and like a unity in people is clearing the evil and wicked ideologies of the British. It's cleaning out the British out of our country. Now, banderole of equity is fluttering in the chameleon above. Banderole of equity means the equality's flag. Like everyone are equal. No, we are the people who will run the country. We are Indians. We want equality. It's our country, not your country. So you cannot discriminate us. It's our country. So banderole of equity means is fluttering in the chameleon. Chameleon above, I'm referring to the sky because sky changes its colors, right? Sometimes it's dark, sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's golden, right? So banderole of equity means our Indian flag, which is symbol of equality, justice, independence, and peace, and like peace, struggle of our Indian fighters, its geography, etc. So its fluttering means it's fluttering in the chameleon above. An interval is coming to clash with him, the one who raised his mortality. This means there's an interval coming to the struggle of the Indian freedom fighters with that one leader, with that one revolutionary who sacrificed his life, his mortality for the country, for the nation. Warmth in wax figurines started to emerge adrift of purge. That means those people who don't have feeling of patriotism and they do not even think about the country. They do not care. They started understanding the feeling of patriotism started emerging in them because of this one freedom fighter. Everyone got inspired by him and started to emerge from each and every corner. The one Bhagat Singh or the one Rajguru or one Chandrasekhar Azad, they all started existing in other youngsters. Their silhouette started representing in other people. Now, a vivid upcoming started to emerge and the parental patch on the sphere liberated. This literally means our country, our motherland, got free from Britishers because of these people. They are totally responsible for liberation of our country. Now, at the end, few drops in a quiet aqua body brought in difference on the surface. Like this much of people made such a big difference. What if all of us be like them? Then just think what such a big change, such a big revolution we all can bring together. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Samarth, for your this poem on revolution. So we are so very happy in that way that our young generation, our future generation, our teenagers are so sensitive because sensitivity is a trait that is missing very badly in the society these days. We have to be sensitive about ourselves and our surroundings. Only then we can ensure a better future for human race. So we have to love ourselves and our society, our people, and our country and the whole world for a nice human race. So we have to be grateful to our freedom fighters. So thank you, Samar. Next is the turn of Vandana Sah. वंदना शाह। फिर मैं बुलाती हूँ अहोंग शांगबाम कविता।
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ahong Shangbam from Mother's Pride Academy, Bishnupur. Yes, continue.
Good evening. I am Ahung Samu Kavita from Mother's Prayer Academy. I'll be reciting a very short poem. Title is O Tree. O Tree, outside in the night, grating in the wind, in a shrill sad protest. O Tree, you are the voice crying endlessly in the night and will not be consoled. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your short and sweet poem on tree. Because love, music, art, and trees. If you enjoy, you are free. So trees are very important. और इस कोरोना काल में हम लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से इसको और भी समझ गए हैं नेचर कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है। थैंक यू अहुंग शांगबाम। फिर मैं बुलाती हूँ व्योम रॉय।
Yes, ma'am.
Vyom
Good
Roy
evening,
from,
everyone. My name is
just a,
Vyom Virat Roy.
just a minute, please. Vyom Roy from GD Goenka Public School, Siliguri. Yes, continue.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vyom Virat Roy. I'm from Standard 7, and I'm going to recite a poem, The Sands of Tea by Charles Kingsley. Oh, Mary, go and call the cattle home, and call the cattle home, and call the cattle home, across the sands of tea. The western wind was wild and dank with foam, and all alone went she. The western tide crept along the sand, and over the sand, and round the sand, as far as I could see. The rolling mist came down and hid the land, and never home came she. Oh, is it weed, or fish, or floating hair, a tress of golden hair? It drowned maiden's hair. Above the nets at sea was never salmon yet that shone so fair among the stakes of tea. They rowed her in cross the rolling foam, the cruel crawling foam, the cruel hungry foam, to her grave beside the sea. But still the boatman hear her call the cattle home across the sands of tea. Thank you.
Thank you, Vyom Roy, for sharing this wonderful poem from Kingsley. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ प्रेमिता अहुंग शांगबाम।
Good evening, ma'am, and my dear friends. I'm Premita Aung Sangbom from Mother's Pride Academy, Wasify, Manipur. The title of my poetry is The More. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. The more that you help people, the more people will in your sight. The more that you try your best, the more success you'll get. So let's do more and more to get a peaceful life. Thank you.
Thank you, Premita. We all know that the more efforts ensure more success and more happiness, and so empower the magic of more. You all should empower the magic of more, enjoy more, work more, rest more, and love more. and writes more and recites more here on this platform of Teenage Tunes. Wow. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ दिया पोपटानी.
Yes, ma'am.
Diya Poptani from the Icon Public School, Ahmednagar.
Good afternoon, I'm Diya Poptani and I have written a poem on school days. I can't believe it was the last year of my school. My school was the learning pool. Every corner of the building we have made several memories. Each and every wall will tell you different stories. The feeling when your pencil changes into a pen cannot be expressed. Just close your eyes and all these fun times will be flashed. Young me was even scared to go on the stage. The school helped me to gain confidence. Every moment in the school is prestigious. First day, the first teacher, first best friend, first time I cheated. Fun with friends and teachers will always be in my heart. We actually lived our school life from the start. The last year was completely online. Slowly adapting it was fine. Why do good times go fast and bad times long last? I wish I could go back and spend last year with teachers and friends. But sadly, every chapter once ends. On 14th April, I started my day normally, with classes and studies eventually. Suddenly, my phone had several notifications, and after reading the messages, I lost all my patience. CBSE had cancelled class 10 board exams due to the pandemic. I couldn't believe it was true. It was good news for some and bad too. So now I don't have to give my board exams, but I'm a little worried about how will I get my marks. Hopefully everything will be good and thinking that I won't spoil my mood. I want to live every second to the fullest and thank God to make me the luckiest and the happiest. Thank you.
Wow, the wonderful attitude that you showed in your poem. We all know that our school is our dreamland. हम लोग कितने भी बड़े हो जाएं पर अपने स्कूल को कभी भूल नहीं सकते. So yes, my teen poets will be the happiest and the luckiest as they will bring the desired happiness by keeping them fit and fine during their leisure time. That is right now with their imaginative, creative, and inspiring poetry like this. So, your poetry can make you and the people around you enliven and more enthusiastic. So, thank you, Dia Poptani, for this nice poem. अब मैं बुलाती हूँ मुस्कान शर्मा.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Muskan Sharma from DAV MM Public School, Bhatapara.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Muskan Sharma. First of all, I would like to thank you, Bluebird, for providing us a wonderful stage. Today, I am here to present my self-composed poem, whose title is तेरी मेरी यारी. करोड़ों की इस भीड़ में खोजे क्यों दामन प्यार का. करोड़ों की इस भीड़ में खोजे क्यों दामन प्यार का. बेनकाब सा बस एक सा चेहरा यार का. मगरूर है ये आशिकी, सुकून सिर्फ दोस्ती में है. दुनिया के गम सब ढल से जाते हैं, बस तेरी एक दोस्ती में है. जो हो उदासी का आलम कभी, मुस्कुराने का पैगाम तू. जो हो उदासी का आलम कभी, मुस्कुराने का पैगाम तू. जो थका हारा लौटू दुनिया से, तो बस मन चाहा आराम तू. धर्म धन से ऊपर उठकर, धर्म धन से ऊपर उठकर, दिलों में बसी कुछ अपनी ऐसी यारी है, कुछ ऐसी अपनी यारी है. बचपन की शरारतों ने कान पकड़े बार बार. बचपन की शरारतों ने कान पकड़े बार बार. हर शाम फिर भी गेंद लेकर दर पे खड़ा था तू यार. खामखा तो आज भी दुनिया देती है जख्म, पर यार जिसका साथ हो वो न मांगे कोई मरहम. थोड़ी मीठी काफी खट्टी, थोड़ी मीठी काफी खट्टी, बस थोड़ी सी आवारी है, धूप में बारिश हो जैसे, कुछ ऐसी अपनी यारी है। मुश्किलें शो आ भी जाएं, हौसलों की सवारी है, खुदा भी पूछे राज क्या, कुछ ऐसी अपनी यारी है, कुछ ऐसी अपनी यारी है। थैंक यू
मुस्कान शर्मा कि आपने दोस्ती पे ये अपनी प्यारी सी कविता यहाँ पे सुनाई। दोस्ती का नशा निराला है, हर परेशानी का खुलता ताला है, दोस्त तेरा हो या कि मेरा हो, उसने हर पल हमें संभाला है, उसने हर पल हमें संभाला है। तो दोस्त और दोस्ती, इनसे प्यारे शब्द और इनसे प्यारे लोग और कोई लगते ही नहीं है। तो बहुत सुंदर कविता।
थैंक यू मैम।
Welcome. Now we have come to the conclusion of our today's program. We have to share with you two very important information. The first is that Glove World has just begun the registrations yesterday for a global event, World Teen Parliament. If you want to participate in that, everything is online on the website of Glove World. You can visit there, and for that, you can be a member of parliament for this World Teen Parliament by submitting your 59 seconds video on our Facebook page. And if you want to participate, you can participate that way by registering yourself, and then you will be one of the member of parliament of this World Teen Parliament. From we are going to select 100 member of parliament, teenagers from across the world. If you want to participate in this, you can. And besides this, on next Sunday, that is on 25th, Teenage Tunes is going to organize a brand new poetry workshop, poetry magic workshop. We are going to organize on Sunday at 11 a.m. So if you want to improve your writing skills, reciting skills, you can register yourself. The information will be online on our social media, and you can have the information from there if you want. That is free poetry workshop on next Sunday. And if you want to participate in that, just write one short paragraph on any of your favorite topics. Bring that paragraph with you and a black marker if you want to participate. So the information will be online on our social media platforms.
Ma'am, can you repeat it? I was not able to hear you.
Regarding the workshop?
No, before that workshop. And
yeah, that is World Teen Parliament, a global event. We are organizing, and the registrations have begun. And if you want to participate, you have to answer the question in a 59 seconds video. How will I improve the world? You have to answer this question.
In 59 seconds.
And you have to submit your video. The information is there on our website.
Okay.
On our social media platforms. Okay. And if you want to participate in the free poetry workshop on next Sunday, then also you can register yourself. That is a free workshop. And this World Teen Parliament participation is free. Both events are free. Okay. So before we end this program of today, so now keep on writing and reciting and coming over here for sharing your poems on this Glove World Teenage Tunes Open Mic for Poetry. So if you've enjoyed this platform today, you can open your mic and say a big yes. Thanks for coming over here. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.